In this video, I will show you how to download your leads from Google Ads. So if you're running lead ads and you want to download your leads, what you want to do is just go to Campaigns and click on the Assets dropdown and go to Assets. Now here under Assets, you want to search for your lead form. So under Asset Type, just find the lead form that you are currently running the campaign for. Now from there, right under it, you can see right here, it says download leads, and you then have the option for CSV or CSV for CRM. Select whichever one you want. I'll do a normal CSV for this example, and then it will download the leads right here. Now I don't have any lead form submissions received in the last 30 days, but from here you will then have all of your leads in this one sheet. Now if you select CSV for CRM, then it will be specifically made to import into a CRM. So now you know how to download your leads from Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.